How to display WordPress post in a grid layout, quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to display WordPress post in a grid layout. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will require a WordPress website. So you can go ahead and open up your WordPress website, and this is where you will get. This is a test website that I have, and on WordPress we create different posts. We have text in that post, we have images sometimes, and we want to create our website very aesthetically pleasing, and we want to actually customize our website so that we get a grid view. What is a grid layout? Let me actually give you a quick example so you get a better idea. You can see this is a very good example of grid post. You can see how their posts are. Similarly, this website right here, then we have this one right here. These are images as post. This one is a pretty good example. You can see this is like a grid view, and this is what I want to do with my website, and that is why you are watching this tutorial. So it's really easy to do this on WordPress. The problem is on other websites such as Wix website or Squarespace website, the templates we get are very customizable, and what happens is they already have the grids created, and all we have to do is we just add our images and we get like a very good looking website. But with WordPress we actually have to do it ourselves. First of all, we will require a plugin which will allow us to create our post grid. So for that, we have to go to the plugins right here, click on add new. Okay, once you get to the plugin section, then we will search for content view. So this is the plugin that you need in order to create post grid and filter for WordPress. Keep in mind content view. This is what it looks like. You can see it has more than 1,000 active installation and is compatible with my WordPress version. Create beautiful grid and list for WordPress post page in minutes. No coding required. This is important. Mobile friendly, optimized for performance. This is actually a really good plugin which is mobile friendly and no coding required. That is why I wanted to show you guys this one. Click on install now, and it will just take a second to install, and then we can click on activate. All right, now my plugin will be activated. All right, so this is our plugin known as views. First of all, we have to create views, and then we will add our post to it. Let's create a new view. All right, so here we have to add a new view first, and then we can add our post to that view. First of all, we have our own preview. I will get a preview after I am done. We have to enter a title, enter a name to identify your view as. So what I can do is I can name it as a test view for now, but you will give it a name you want to add. Then we have filter settings and display setting. First of all, let's go with filter. What you want to go for? You want to go for a post or a page. Filter custom to post type, product, event, and it will filter some of the post in your page. Not the whole page will be shown as a grid, only the post you want to add. So I'm going to go with post section here. Then we have common. In common we have include only, exclude, and limit. So this is going to be where I will be adding a list of my post IDs. Let's say that I have 15 posts on my page. So what I will do is I will include only, let's say my post 1, 2, 3, 4, and I don't want to add fifth one. So I will go with 6, 7, 8, and then I want to skip 9 and 10, and then I'm going to go with 11, 12, 13. So these are the posts that I want to add, and the posts that I have excluded are going to be number 5, and then I have not added 9 or 10. So this is how it works, and we have limit. So you can select the number of posts that will be shown. This is really important when it comes to creating a grid, and you can see with each grid we have number of posts. Like this one has like 8, this one has 10. So it will look something like this. So we can go with either 10 or 8 with each grid. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go with 15 because that's my post, or we're actually going with 10 here. I'm going to actually count these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, perfect. So we have 10 right here. The limit is going to be 10. Then we have advanced option where we have taxonomy, we have categories and tags, we have sort by, author, status, and keyword. So this is for my viewers that if they want to sort by the grid that I have on my website, the posts that I have, if they want to sort them by date, if they want to sort by other things, so they can do this. In sort by, I will be giving them the option of sort by published date. So this is what I want to give them, and then I can select the order if it's going to be ascending or descending. So I'm going to click on save for this filter. This is going to be the filter that I've created, and now we can move on to our display setting. This was all filter settings for our post grids. Now we have display settings. In display, we have grid. So we have three layouts first. We have grid, then we have this one, scrollable, and then we have collapsible list right here, and then we have just like items per row. So I'm gonna go with grid, and row is this right here. So how many posts I want per, a row? So I want 4. Responsive, items per row. How many items I am going for? I'm gonna go with 4 items. In mobile phone, it's going to be 2 items. For tablet, let's go with 3. So this is a responsive design for tablets and mobile. Look how good this plugin is. Then we have format. Show thumbnail and text vertically. Show thumbnail on the left, right of the text. So if you have a thumbnail, it's going to be like this. Show thumbnail and text vertically. Here you will find, like, add this. Here you will find the thumbnail, and here you will find the text. If I go with this one, then that means that I will have thumbnail right here and text here. So you can select the format. Field settings, show thumbnail, show title, show contact, show meta fields, like this. I'm not going to select this option, and then we have show title, show content as well. I do not want to show content like these websites, because I want people to click on it and actually read the post, because I give them everything. So it will actually create a huge grid for me. I do not want to do that. I just want to show the thumbnail and title. Then we have title, H4, we have to select the heading. I'm going with H4 here. We have size of the thumbnail, which is going to be medium. You can select small, large. You can select according to your WooCommerce. So what I'm going to do is I am going with medium, which is going to be 300 by 300. Then we have pagination right here, enable and other, open item in current tab or a new tab. So I'm going to go with a current tab option. All of these settings are done and we're good to go. Click on save and your new view will be saved. You have created a view on content view that will allow me to create my post in a grid layout on my WordPress website. So once it's done, we will add our post to it. We have our own template created, things that Wix or other website give us, and we have like layouts. We actually created it ourselves. And now what I can do is I can go to all views and it will show me the view that I just created. And then all I need to do is I will just add the post to the view that I have created. So this is the one that we have. Click on edit and you will be able to add post to your grid. And then you have to click on edit, and it will take you right here where we can edit our view. So this is how you will be adding all the views. You can see we have all views, add new, and settings. Once the view is added, you will add this to your website. Go to your website right here, add the content view, and then you can add the post that you have. You can rearrange your page. You can also upload some of the posts by just going to the post section right here. It will show you all of the posts that you already have, the text, the thumbnails. So you will create a post, and now content view actually gave you a layout that allows you to create post grids. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on a bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.